What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do a little update on racing. So, I know a few of you that I talk to on a regular basis knew about my buddy's R1, and it's the R1 I did the test ride on in my video, in a video I made last year. It's pretty much done. He did a lot of shit to it. And all this is like a long story, but I'm gonna make it short. Okay. Stretched it out. It's an 8 to 12 inch stretch. Sent his ECU off, got it flashed, and had a badass fucking tune put in the fucking thing. The thing is just ridiculous. Pretty much without putting any sort of additive to the bike, nitrous or supercharger or turbo, pretty much have maxed this bike out. Its throttle response is just stupid now. The bike is just ridiculous. We don't know how much horsepower he's actually pushing. The guy that did the ECU flash and put the tune in it, I mean, it's something this guy does. I believe said that he should be right around the 195 to 198 horsepower range now. And that's off a 2013 R1. Well, like I said, I mean, it's going to be like a story here. But bike's all together, it's running. So last night we went to race. And it was actually a really good night of racing. The problem with it is, this fucking GoPro only recorded 3 of the races.
Holy hell, son, you're about as useful as a cock-flavored lollipop.
You know, it's not very often I have a problem with my GoPro, and it is a Hero 4 Silver. I don't hardly ever have problems with it. But like anything in life, the time you have a problem with it is the time you don't want to have a problem with it. So I don't have enough footage to put a race video out, even though we actually got to race a lot. And that's really upsetting. I got my session, and it picked up every single race. But I can't put a race video together off that footage. It's not good enough. There's not enough there. So I'm pretty pissed. I'm pretty annoyed. But I'm going to throw a couple pictures in here before and after. I don't know why I'm saying this, because I probably already did it. So forgive me. I'm not saying this. I'll probably cut this part out. Or will I? But yeah, we made it back down to the races. It's pretty chill now. Not many people show up. Pretty much all racers. I mean, hardly really not many racers showed up last night, but still a good time. Got a lot of passes in. I'm really pissed that my GoPro didn't pick it up. I didn't record. But still, nevertheless, it's a good time. It's pretty chill down there now. Doesn't look like we got all the young kids like we were having. I mean, shit, even the cops didn't show up to run us off for, I bet we were down there for, I think we were down there for a good 2.5 hours before the cops actually showed up to run us off. Dude, what are you doing? Get the fucking meth pipe out of your mouth and drive. You're not even doing the speed limit. So anyways, you know, I just thought I'd make a quick update video about that. Looks like we might actually get to go back and race some more. We were having a hard time finding another spot to go, so you know, it makes me pretty happy. I don't think we're gonna make it out tonight. Not everybody can get together. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we're not going tonight. But I'm not feeling too good anyways. My neck is killing me. It's fucking Icon variant. And I got the bubble guts all day long. But anyways, I'll go ahead and call this one, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.